Hi Head Starter team. This is my demo for my pantry tracking application, and let's jump right into it. So at the start we have a add new item button and a delete new item button. Along with this we also have the title of this table, inventory items, and then three different categories that we're tracking. We're tracking the item name, the quantity, and then the functions, which the functions are just an add and remove button. And so let's take a look at the add new item button. So in this interface, we can type out the name of the item we want. Let's go with peaches, for example. We can change the quantity we want of the item with these buttons right here. We can increase and decrease. Very simple there. And then once we click add, it will display underneath with each each criteria under its respective category. And then over here with the add button, you can change the quantity, incrementing it by one. And with the remove button, you can decrease the quantity by one. Let's go ahead and add another item. Let's name this item peanuts, just for example. And if we didn't want to click these buttons, we could also type out the quantity we wanted. So for example, now we have a quantity of 12 for peanuts. And we can go ahead and add another item. Let's call this potatoes. We can change the quantity to something large like 1,000. And we have this scrolling function for if we have too many items. So when you're able to scroll through all of your items. So now with this delete item button, instead of having to repeatedly click to remove an item, with delete items, you can delete the item instantly without having to constantly click remove one by one until it removes the item. And one of my favorite features about this application is at the top right, we have a switch for dark mode, and turning it on will completely change the UI and change the color scheme to a dark mode setting. And that is my favorite feature of this app. And that's pretty much it for the pantry tracking application.